Hi, welcome to the Attendance Records tutorial. So the Attendance Records is under the task, create task menu, as well as there's an icon on the top dashboard. Attendance record, and choose Attendance Record, and it'll bring you up to a screen that looks like this. And up top it has Add Event, and in this screen it lists all of the events that are currently in the system. So first let's go to Add Event, and you can choose location. You can choose the date. If you want to send this record to all of the students, you can just leave it blank, or if this is just for several of the students, you can add them that way, but we're just going to send this out to everyone. Description. Any other information you want to put there. If you want to send this notification to their parents, you can choose yes, or if you just want to send it to the students, you can choose no. And it's going to send them an email notification once you create the system, create the event. So we'll choose Add Event. All right, and you see it says basically Robert Smith, who's the person that's in charge of this account, has created a new attendance record. And you see it's been added there. So now we can edit, delete, or we can choose view. And we'll talk about each of those here in just a second. All right, just to show you that on this student's email, an email was just created and sent out to everybody. Chooses it, and here's the message: new function, attendance record has been created, and they'll need to log in and indicate whether or not they attended it or they did not. Alright, so this attendance function can be utilized one of two ways. You can utilize it as a method of taking roll, and to do that, well, if you choose edit, it'll allow you to go in and edit the event. But if you choose view, it's going to bring you up a listing of all of the members that's in your organization, and you can choose edit, and if they were there, you choose yes, submit, and you can just go down the list as you call roll, and it will change their status to attended from not attended to attended. Or alright, what I've just done, I'm currently in one of the members accounts, and for the purpose of this tutorial, this is the one that we will utilize. Alright. Again, we're in one of the members' accounts. When you create an attendance record, each member will not only be notified, but it will create a record on their side up here. And again, you see it's a monthly membership meeting. That's what we created. If it's up here, then they have not indicated whether or not they attended it. So what each one will have to do is they click on view, and they can choose whether or not they attended it or not, and hit submit. And when that happens, then it falls down here to close attendance records. So ideally, we always want this to be empty at top, and everything down here, because it's not going to populate on your side whether or not they attended the event or not. So again, each time you create attendance record, it's going to automatically pop up here for them to indicate yes or no. So you want to tell your members to, when they click on their attendance record, if they have something up here, or an open attendance record, then they need to indicate whether or not they attended it or they did not attend the record the function. All right, jumping back over to the coach side or the director side of things. The last thing I'll talk about is the print option. If you just need to print this record, you click on print and then you'll have the opportunity to print it or download it to a PDF or whatever it is that you need to do. Alright, well, this is the conclusion of our attendance record tutorial.